Hello everyone, welcome back to TOI Sports. It's travel day and the travel vlog had to return. We'll be taking the flight from Brisbane to Melbourne today. It's been a long and a very hectic day. We went to the National Cricket Centre in Brisbane. That video will be up very soon. But for now, it's travel time. We have to get that flight to Melbourne. From there we have to probably take a bus, a cab. Let's see whatever is cheaper. Next stop, the Brisbane airport. Here at the train station shortly. I'll be boarding a train to the domestic airport. From there I have a 5 p.m. flight to Melbourne. We'll be reaching Melbourne late in the night. Maybe I'm just quickly waiting and there's a baby crying. We'll try to console it. Keep watching. Well, this could have been an experience like never before. We barely reached the airport on time because of the continuous metro delays. But now the luggage has been sent. Everything has been done. So we are heading to the security zone to board our flight. Finally. It could have been touch and go. It could have late. We could have reached Melbourne late. But इसका कोई नहीं होता, उसका ऊपर वाला होता है. हम टाइम पे पहुंच गए and I am just heading towards the security gate to get the security clearance done. And soon I'll be joining you from Melbourne. Time to get some breath. Just like India at the Gaba, we have managed a thrilling escape here. This was a daylight robbery. मतलब मैं तो expect नहीं कर रहा था कि मैं ये flight पकड़ने वाला हूँ. And now I'm like 2 minutes away from entering my gate. Looks all good. This is the airport. This is the Brisbane International Airport. Lot of publicity and lot of marketing done around Gold Coast here. पर हम तो वहाँ नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि हमें मेलबर्न जाना है, हमें बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट कवर करना है, हमें देखना है how life will be after Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin has reached Chennai. We at Times of India Sports told you yesterday that he'll be flying on the day of announcing his retirement. So clearly he was in a hurry to vacate the team hotel and he left. He's reached Chennai to a grand welcome. His parents were there, his wife was there, his 2 daughters were there to greet him. Emotional scenes as India's greatest off spinner calls it a day. For now, it's time to board that flight to Melbourne, leaving you with some visuals of the airport. कहा था ना, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका भगवान होता है. The incoming flight from Sydney hasn't come yet. जब तक वो फ्लाइट नहीं आएगी तो मेलबर्न फ्लाइट कैसे जाएगी. तो हमें 20 मिनट का बफर मिल गया है. अब थोड़ा चिल करेंगे, पैर सीधे करेंगे और आपको सीधा अपनी आयल सीट से मिलेंगे.
6.5 hours later.
Log 10 loaded, about to take off for Melbourne. Boxing Day.
3:28 a.m.
Touchdown Melbourne has finally happened. This kind of that festivity in the air. You're greeted by some decorations at the airport. They are soaking in the Christmas vibes because it's going to be Boxing Day very soon and we'll keep joining you. The Indian cricket team has already reached Melbourne for their preparations. So we'll keep bringing you all the updates from behind the action, match day vibes and a lot more. For now, we're signing off from Melbourne. We'll join you very soon with all the updates as promised from Ground Zero.